Hello everyone and welcome to another video. I have taken a lot of time off because I'm sad and one of the videos kinda died and I got very sad about that, and so I took a lot of time off and here we are. Yeah. Here it is. Let's just get into it. Why do I have no blueprints? Okie-doke. Yeah, I tried to do a video, but didn't really work out. So there's not been many updates, just that the light carrier now has a couple more missiles. I was really wanting to get the factory soon so we can start making our own mobile ships. Because I really do not like these things. They kinda suck. Anyway, let's get on with it. I think today the goal is going to be to get a factory. I only have 13 credits at the moment. Either get a factory or try and get rid of the red faction by using lasers, which are apparently very good against the red faction. I've actually watched a couple videos about it, and in fact they are. If you use them on point defense, they are absolutely OP. What's their range? 400. Not a lot. What is the range on the plasma cannons? 1100, and that is that far. So 400 is about maybe there? I don't know. It's like half, so about there. That's the range of the point defense if we do want to use lasers. But there's all the missiles, there's the drones, and there's that. Let's go capture some red territory. No more battle nurses. Like, I'm sick of them. Like, actually, I'm sick of the battle nurses. Just send the missiles at it and it's already dead. Hang on a second. Could I have the missiles on point defense? Hang on a second. Is that possible? No. Automatically target and kill anything? Hang on a second. Give me a quick second. We are going to... Yes, those will be on point defense for now. Right mouse. If we have these on point defense, there's no way this is gonna work. Seriously? Oh my god, you're joking. Anytime it senses a target. Oh my god, and it goes straight for the core. Holy crap. But I'm not gonna do it just for the sake of... That is the most cheesy, overpowered thing I've seen. Just question, are we even recording? Because if we're not recording... Oh my god, we are recording. Thank god! If we weren't recording, I would be very upset. So yes, capturing red territory is a lot easier with more missiles. Yep, already dead. I could go kill that missile. Not kill that missile, kill that eagle. Ooh. Red do specifically have lasers for missile defense because they are weak against missiles, but the small ones are just dead because they don't usually have any point defense, and by point defense I mean missile defense, so they basically just die. We stay at long range and destroy them, which should be good. Yeah, nope. I'm not going to make it. Oh, crap. Just fire the missiles. Just fire the missiles, and I'm okay again. What the hell? I have 500, 200 resource, and by 500, 200 resource, I mean 502 resource, you know what I mean. Let's go sell all this. Ooh, 300. I could get a laser. Also, by the way, rocket launchers are kind of really bad. They do explode radius of 20, explode damage of 40. When these homing missiles do an explode radius of 25 with an explode damage of 30, and they home. So, but it's just, why? Regen, This is 5 energy per torpedo, and 2.7 seconds for one, 1. Yeah, this is just better. That is if you have the... And again, torpedo launcher? I did get the torpedo launcher. I forgot to tell you guys that. Wrong button, this button. Button. This is a giant torpedo launcher. So, I will be building a torpedo craft, like right now. That's a missile launcher, not a torpedo launcher. There's the torpedo launcher. It is very big. It is very, very big. How much energy? Regen energy 20 per torpedo. If I give it the same thruster, I think this is the same way the thrusters on the other one went. I don't know, I may just be completely dumb and have no idea what I'm doing. But you know what, I'm confident in myself. Okay. Could do that. Or we could remove that back half entirely. There's a railgun. I kind of want to make this small. Sort of like a small fighter craft. Very nimble fighter craft. So we want a generator on back. Or on front. Yeah, on back. A torpedo launcher. Maybe a couple of missile launchers? I don't know. This is going to be this is going to be like a glass cannon, I think. Very strong in terms of weaponry, but not very strong in terms of survivability. Which is a very good thing, but I mean, survivability is a good thing, not having survivability. That's not really a good thing. That's sort of nice, I guess. If we just did like that, no. Is there something we can put in here? Autocannons, maybe? We could put in some flak cannons. There they are. Or some defense cannons? No, we want defense, so flak cannons. They're pretty explosive. Okay. We will do flak cannons. Just because we can. If we do that, these wings will sort of be like the other ones, will it? If I can build the wings? Is that it? Or... I don't know, I was trying to build the wings from the other crafts. But I think that's decent. We put a big thruster there. Maybe some hull? That's kind of useless. We want this hull. put in some plasma, some defense cannons. More defense cannon. No. I want this thing to be super cheap. 0p weakish armor. I want it to actually survive, you know? God, those can get bigger. Okey-doke. So can these. I can make fat version. Okie doke. We want this thing to be semi-fast. We don't want it to be super fast. We just want semi-fast. Semi-controllable. We actually want it to be really, really controllable. 2 of those, maybe? Some of these. Some of those. This is like already 174. How much are those? 8p. That's not too much. It's really this. 55. Yeesh. Okie doke. If we have this be a torpedo. Do I know how to spell torpedo? No, not at all. It's literally right there. Torpedo. Drone. Exit save. We're gonna do that. So, B? Why is that right mouse? Oh my god. Okie doke. Bindings. That will be left mouse, those will be point defense, obviously. Exit, save. Alt. Okie doke. So, torpedo drone, as you can see, sort of looks like the... yeah, it just looks like the back of one of those. Like one of those, but without a front, and with that. Oh my god, this thing is fast. Ooh. Don't know how much damage those do. Looks like they do a lot. What's the blast radius on those? Torpedo launcher, explode radius. Oh my god. Okay, anything big would just die to this. Anything big that concerns the red faction dies. That thing's already dead. We're going to grab that and run. See if we can hit. No. No, it's already dead. Boom. It's just insta-kill for anything in its radius. If only they were homing. Hey, did they destroyed the launcher. That's not fun. Why am I burning? That doesn't matter. What matters now is hitting this tiny little brawler. Oh my god, so close. It like has to be in front of me for it to work. Or he could just kill me. You know, that's okay too. Okie doke. This little tiny craft is so weak and fragile. But if it's up against bigger crafts, can we try and lead it? No, these are just too slow. Ooh, will it hit? Oh! Damn! Instant kill. Okay, not gonna lie. Kinda overpowered. I didn't even mean to shoot those torpedoes, but I think they hit something. There we go. More stuff. could do lasers, or torpedoes and lasers, that might be OP. Rocket turret, rocket launcher, laser. Okie doke, I don't know. But there's a torpedo drone. We want the light carrier though. We want to move the torpedo drone to there. And 3. If we go 1, yes, we're using everything that we can. I'm just going to use a little bit of money to upgrade that. And so we can put maybe a railgun in here? Maybe? How much a drone launch is 23? They're like... they're less than a missile launcher. Okay. Could be put a drone launcher there. Probably. Possibly. Maybe. I don't know. Could we? Would we? Maybe. We could actually do that. Dual carrier. But if we turn those 2 into a railgun, maybe? Okay, if I remove those, and I remove those, but I put them there, but I remove all that, chuck that over there, put in a giant railgun and plop that on, it still sort of looks okay. I guess. But that's something we need more generators. So if we put a generator there, more missiles, good. Good. I think I could chuck a torpedo launcher on. I don't know, could I? Nah, too much. But torpedoes are so OP. Like, actually, they're overpowered. Okay, that's fine. I have so little stuff to use. Could do that. But no. Do I want more things that will actually kill the enemy? Or do I want drones? I mean, I guess we can just straight up call this a carrier. Not a light carrier. Just the carrier. Carrier. Oh no, I can't do that. Exit. Cancel. Exit. Let's just save this for a second. Light carrier. Change to carrier. Exit. Save. Now that's the smaller carrier, and we will just call this something else. Maybe we can get rid of the drones. I think we're going to get rid of the drones. Rip the drones. I just think I had a lag spike. I just think I had another one. Okay, what is happening? No, those were not lag spikes, those were just my headphones. Great. They keep doing it. Headphones, stop. My headphones are annoying me a lot. I don't like it. Headphones, stop. Also, I was told something, and yes, if you hold Alt, you can just Copy everything. I kind of need to fill this in with something. I think defense cannons will do the trick. Okay, not the large ones, the small ones. Beautiful. So sweet. Now, what else do we need? Anything else we can put down? Can we, like, move that by doing something over here? It needs to be at that angle. Or we could have it over there? Would that work? Super long thing? Yeah, that works, but it doesn't really look cool. Do I do it to both sides? Does that look cool? No, it does not. Not at all. Does that look cool? Not at all. Okie doke, I think I'll just have to leave it like that. Bindings, left mouse, left mouse, left mouse. All those are on right mouse, which I think I'll put ripple fire. Auto fire. There is an auto fire thing where it just automatically fires at anything it sees. How much are these for? Ooh, I'd just make it if I put in 2 more defense cannons. Why not? We don't have any other triangle-sized things except for the manipulator, which is just a tractor beam. That is extremely annoying. Okie doke. I am going to call you the Corvette. Great. Exit. Safe. Time check. We good on time. I think I'll just test out this at the moment. Railgun go boom. Interceptor, carrier, corvette. I think I'll have... Oh, that was the wrong thing. I think I'll have drones and normal things. Basically, normal fighters, I guess, and then drones. Okie doke. Let's see. This thing is maneuverable at best. If we switch to keyboard rotate ship. Oh my god, that's maneuverable. Whoa. Whew, this thing can spin on a dime. Whoa. Huh. That is funny. But here's a good thing, I don't have to... Yeah, no, I don't like it. I do not like it at all. Give me back to cursor. Cursor rotates. Okie doke. What is that, a super sniper? What the hell? Okie doke. When I get that factory, which will be soon, I will do some stuff. Ooh, that thing's dead. Raptor. That thing's like out of range ×3. Missiles attack. Ooh. Whoop. Missiles. Go in. Did I not set missiles to ripple fire? No, I didn't. Sorry about that. What was that? Okie doke. Okie doke. Raptor, activate. Activate the death. Death for Raptor. Death for Raptor. Ooh, dunk, dunk, dunk. Oh, you stealing my resource. Dare. Let us decimate some boys. What's the range? Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna check. The damage, 350 per round. That's not as much as the torpedo launcher. Okie doke. But I can launch 2 in a second. That doesn't sound right. Right, 0.5 rounds a second. No, it's 1 every 4 seconds. Auto launch. Gotta lead him. Oh my god, it's so nimble! Focus all energy. Come on. Saying these commands does absolutely nothing. Oh, I hit him! I hit him! I think I broke off a wing. Whoop. There he goes. He dead. He is dead boy. I am nearly dead boy. Whew. Yeah, take that. Take that. Ha. Wow. This thing is good at destroying things. By destroying things, I mean absolutely decimating things. We need to really clear out some red territory. Like, really clear out. Because they have just been thriving down here. Is there a mothership somewhere? Because to unlock their faction, you have to defeat a 1000p ship. Be dead. Lot of resource that I lost. Lol. Another time check because I'm paranoid. Okie doke. A little bit of time left. Oop, resource. I think. Oh, you absolute. That is the meanest thing I've ever seen. Oh, I got him with my railgun. See, railgun does stuff. Ooh, Claw got nice missile defense. Does it have death prevention things? No, it doesn't, but I don't either. Oh my god. Ah! Face me and my gang. Oh, what is that? A sniper. I like sniper. Raptor? Can you just like die? Yes, you're dead. Did I grab that resource? No, not at all. That thing just exploded. And now the battle nurse. Mothership! Okie doke. This is our moment. Destroy a mothership of the enemy faction. Yeah. I died. And it took all my resource. And I'm very unhappy. And I believe on that note, I am all out of time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, please. Comment, like. Definitely like, but more subscribe. I will be doing an Overdrift video tomorrow. Although that doesn't really matter because by the time you're seeing this, it's probably well past the day. So I will be doing an Overdrift tomorrow, just hang out. I haven't been doing videos in a while. Actually, no, I'm meant to be doing Overdrift videos on Sunday. So tomorrow I will do another video. It is a Friday today. I will do another reassembly video, then I'll do an Overdrift video. Subscribe, like, comment, nice things only, and I'll catch you later.